Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is April the 16th. Hopefully you're having a great day. I'm making a short video to give you an update on my investment journey. My journey to 250k. I'm currently at 138,656, so down by about 1%, which is about 1,300 for the day. For the week, down by about 1.3%, which is about 1,800. For the month, down by about 3.6%, which is about 5,100. 3 months, down by about 15%, which is about 24,600. For the past year, up by about 49.7%, which is about 46,000. So just to keep the channel very transparent, I always try and every day show you my progression per day, per week, per month, 3 months, and the year, so that you kind of see the progression in our journey success. I don't like kind of trying to show when it's good or when it's not so bad. I just want to show you everything. If you like this transparency, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when you do an upload every single day, and also just give this video a thumbs up so that we can grow the channel faster in favor of the YouTube algorithm. So let's get straight to it. Right now I have a few calls working really great because I managed to get them at the bottom, but I want to touch on Dogecoin. It's kind of like a meme altcoin, and I've touched a little bit on it before. It's funny that this is the only investment asset currently doing very well in my portfolio today, with just a few, but most of them are red. The markets are actually green, so if you're seeing red, you might need to just review the companies you invested in and kind of dig deeper, which I'll be doing as well. I think my picks are good for what I picked. The only thing I probably will touch on over the weekend is the penny stocks. So much of them in the red, and that's something everybody should be aware of. If you're in a penny stock, you have to be very careful. For the most part, I don't touch them. I think I sold one NAK because I need to add my position in Dogecoin before I saw the charts look pretty good for Doge, so I took a little bit of money and pumped it here. So you can see I currently have 7,459, which represents 1.9% of my total account portfolio, and you can see I'm up by about 232%. I'm not surprised that Robinhood pulled another thing here that you can trade right now because the price just shot up real fast. You can see for the day it's up by about 37%. I can see this going down because I don't think it's sustainable. There's a lot of hype. So what most people usually do is we had a lot of people in January buy in the millions of these coins, so most of them are taking 3x their money back. So I'm not expecting this price to sustain for long. If you're investing in Dogecoin for the long term and you don't need that money, I think it's a good way to just ride the wave up and down and not even worry about anything. For those who don't know, Dogecoin is just a peer-to-peer crypto, and I think they usually have 5 billion coins every year created, unlike Bitcoin, which is having a cap, I believe, of 29 billion of coins, so you can create more. That's why this price for Dogecoin is really low, but with more hype, more adoption, and any real life case scenario use, I can see the price going up long term, but for now it will be very volatile. So just be careful if you're planning to enter. Make sure you're willing to lose that money technically, because if you catch it at top and doesn't go back there, you might live with the fact that you lost your money. But yeah, I kind of want to show you what's making my account look good today. It's just this Dogecoin. But yeah, let me know in the comment section if you have any. What do you think about cryptocurrencies in general? I do have a few in my coin base of other altcoins, but yeah, I think it's an interesting asset to have, maybe Bitcoin or Ethereum. But yeah, be green, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye.